we never drop one rice on the table, and we will put the shoes like this. Whenever I go back my home, I see my son's shoes, one like this, one like this, one socks, not the socks. No discipline. Yeah, when first day when I see him in U.S., hi there. Then I just standing up, because we learn 人日礼记信四维八德忠孝礼. We learn this kind of very traditional when we see old people, elderly like this,
respect,
we're helping people. When he do this, yeah. Don't move, talk to me. He don't know how to talk. Yeah.